my area of things is very wide, and not only ophthalmology, but also we work on different domains to work on that part. And also have my own clinical practice where I've been practicing for the last 25 years. I used to work in an organization called Kuldeep Raizada Eye Institute, where I worked for 12 years, and I moved out. I started my own practice. I have 3 geographical locations in my practice. I practice in Houston, Texas. I practice in Kuwait with the Ministry of Health government, and also have my own center in Hyderabad. So, eventually in over 25 years, so much of work, so much of patient care we have done it. The most of the problem with them, nobody wants to listen to them. The moment you become a good listener to them, half of the problems are resolved by them. And involved with them in the treatment process. So because patients spend a lot of time with us. Sometimes the time process they spend from 2 days to 15 days. The time they're spending it, they become a part of our family, and we spend a lot of time and they are sharing knowledge. See, for me, when I got sick myself, this experience that I share the time with these patients, especially the cancer patients, it was a lesson for me that how they live. How did I help them? How did I make them positive impact to their life? Similar way, it helped me as well. When I left the institutions, I had no intention to pursue my career in the prosthetic area. But thanks to a patient who has encouraged, and she was from the Northeast, from Calcutta. And she happened to come to city, and she said, I want to get a job done. And because of their motivation and the quality of work they want to expect from me, and I came in the profession again. Once people lose their different body parts, they have psychological disorders. They get emotionally deprived with a lot of things. They don't want to mingle socially. And our work that we are able to put them back on their real life. So being in a company which is able to work on affordable care, we have a responsibility to make sure the reachability of this kind of asset goes to every house in an affordable way. And Vision 2020, being in a commercial company of Akriti from our side, we're able to contribute to the mission in a much more faster way, because our reachability, scalability is very different. And this is what we want to do with them. India is one of the largest population in the world as of now, but also the Africa care also needed. Affordability again is a big challenge. As I said you before, the accessibility, affordability is the main key play role in healthcare segment, and we want to make sure that anybody who is looking for the affordable care should not be deprived just because of the financial reasons. So initially we start doing a training of this kind of product, and we help them. And when we start working in India, we had only about 15 ocular plastic surgeons and all handfuls of pediatric ophthalmologists. Right now we have close to 4,000 pediatric ophthalmologists and more than 1,600 ocular plastic surgeons. We're very thankful we came to the early stage of their career, make them life easy. But our journey did not end over there, because affordability was a major concern for our patients. It's not a problem of India. It's a problem all over the world. Right now, what is changing from inexpensive to the inexpensive, unaffordable to affordable care? If being in an industry, as a local industry, is an Indian industry, we want to go for global platform. And the idea is to create an affordable care. It's same thing with Africa, same thing with the Middle East, same thing with Europe, same thing with South America. Everybody have accessibility of limited funds, and as a company responsibility, we want to make a product which is everyday common use product. If the product can be made affordable, it will go to the wide reach of the people. When I meet Mr. Munda, we are the Health Minister of India, and we discuss about the things, and they said we have a budget for our country and we can help, but how do you reach it? So then we meet the Honorable Minister, Chief Minister in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and we discuss about the project. They were kind to come to the stage like, yeah, okay, we can do the screening program, and they were able to raise the number of manpower. Almost 15,000 people are working on every single day in Telangana, and we did almost 4 crore people testing, and we could able to provide 1 crore spectacle to the house. So my dream to reachability of the product to every house came true. Even a safety glasses that you're looking at, you have to import from the Western world, and it's so impossible, so expensive to buy, even 5,000 pair of glasses. And when the minister talks about this, we were very quick in making the things happen. And every day we manufacture thousands of pieces, and we give a lot of free work to the people. And the most important part was the quality of the product. The quality of product that we want to manufacture, we want to ensure the product lasts longer, because it's a taxpayer money. The government is giving money from the taxpayer, and every single dollar that's spent or rupees spent just works for the people. So we were very happy that we could able to provide and care of the people, in less than $1, which is to the across country. There are different way of working with them. They can also sponsor, they can also fund the program, they can also be a partner. Basically, they can also facilitate the facilities, they can be involved with different activities. Even awareness of the glaucoma to the common people make a big difference. Having awareness of the things is also helping the industry, helping even the humanity. If you are a manufacturer or even a trader, don't overcharge. Come down to the product. Our country needs a lot of resources. Come down. You can, of course, every industry needs to make money, but come down to a situation where the people can afford. If they can afford, they can live a better life, and that's what is the whole goal of it. If you can help somebody to live a better life, what else better you want? We have American Academy coming. Before that, we have Barcelona, LCR. So we will be in all the places.